June 4th, day 8 of the 13-day honeymoon, and today is day number 1 in Ireland. We just got to our hotel. So happy to have a bigger, normal hotel room again. The last 2 are very tiny, but that's apparently a normal thing in London and Paris. So let's begin. Go get something to eat. All right, we have arrived in Ireland, Dublin, Ireland, and this is our first. We didn't eat since 8 in the morning. Freaking hungry. So this is our first meal in Ireland, and it's good so far. It's pouring rain out, and I don't know how much exploring we're gonna do today, but we got the next 2 days here. It's gonna be fun. All right, it's day 9, June 5th, second day in Dublin. Outside our hotel now. Very rainy, cloudy, cold day again. Last night was absolutely nothing. We ordered room service and stayed in the hotel the entire night because it was just pouring all day, but I'm gonna do some exploring today. Hopefully it's a little, sun comes out a little bit, but we're going to enjoy Dublin. So Dublin is very much city. We ate there yesterday for lunch. And actually, it kind of reminds me of London a little bit. Maybe just because it's a city, but I was expecting to see more green, Nicole.
We'll get there. Be patient.
All right, first stop of the day, we're at the Guinness Factory, doing the Guinness Factory tour. And we're ready to drink some beer.
Fittings and fixtures. Even the doorway that I am standing in here today is an exact replica of that of number 1 Common Street, which is where Aaron Guinness once lived and tasted his products like what we do.
Alright, we got our free Guinness. This is the first. Cheers. I have the mustache. We had the mustache. So the Guinness tour was awesome. Got myself a nice little Guinness hat. And now we're at the Irish Whiskey Museum. It's gonna be cool.
Stories that travel to Dublin, to the ears of a boy called Bram Stoker. Now years later, he gives the world Dracula, based in part on these stories that he heard from the Irish country. Give it a go now. Get that first time.
Which one are we drinking? The first one?
First one, left to right.
We're sending this to my cousin in Riverside, who's a Jameson fan.
Oh, I see.
All right, we're coming up to the Temple Bar, traditional Irish whiskey. One of the, probably the most popular bar in all of Dublin. But this is where we're going to eat. Famous Toasties.
Found in Brooklyn, the father, the youngest, looked after the farm.
Good morning, everybody. It's day 10. Checking in. It is June 6th. And would you believe it? We are driving on the opposite side of the road. We left Dublin this morning and we're heading out to the countryside. Basically, we're hoping to stop at the Kilkenny Castle first and then the Blarney Castle second. Nick's driving the wrong side of the car. He's doing a really good job so far, so we'll keep you posted.
What drink you got there, Nicole? Got some Guinness. That's cool. All right, we just had lunch at a really cool pub. Played some Elvis music. That was awesome. Now what castle is this?
Kilkenny Castle.
Kilkenny Castle. We're in the town of Kilkenny, so we're gonna go do a little hour tour. Check it out. First castle tour in Ireland. It's good to see green. So we just drove almost 2 hours from Kilkenny, Ireland, and now we are in Cork. Well, we're 5 miles away from Cork, but we have arrived at the Blarney Castle. Blarney Castle, gonna kiss the Blarney Stone and see what cool stuff we have ahead. So these are the Blarney Gardens. I'd be fishing right now. Pouring. And we're walking up. Is that the Blarney House? I think that's the Blarney Castle. Oh, that's the castle.
Does that look more like
Blarney Castle. Going to kiss the stone up there. There's something you don't see every day.
Down you go, in you go. Kiss in front, give us up. Take a picture. Right. Very good.
Well, we just kissed the Blarney Stone and I just about shit my pants. It's pretty scary. And all these people are doing the same thing. Finally on grounds again, but to give you an idea, we kissed the bottom of that. It's pretty scary. They're not horses. The cows, they're moo-moos. Oh, that's an Irish cow. I think he thinks I'm gonna feed him